Let me show you how to design a gradient poster in Adobe Photoshop. Start by creating a new file, size 2000 by 3000 pixels. Set the resolution to 200. When you finish, press Create. Now go to Adjustment Layer and choose Solid Color. Let's choose the black color and then press OK. Now create a new layer. Go to Tools and choose the Gradient tool. Let's choose the Radial Gradient tool. Choose the Classic Gradient. Click on the gradient color right here. Alright, let's go ahead and pick the gradient colors. I'm going to start with this white color. Right here, I will go with this green color. And finally, at the end, I will choose black. Once you're done, click OK. Click in the center and drag upward to create the gradient. If your colors are reversed, make sure this icon is turned off. Right-click here and choose Convert to Smart Object. Now go to Filter and click on Liquify. Make sure you've got pin edges switched on. Follow along with these steps and don't be afraid to play around with the Liquify tool until you like how it looks. When you finish, press OK. This is looking great. Let's add some texture. Go to Filter, then Noise, and choose Add Noise. Let's put the amount around 5%. Now you can add your own text. I've already added mine. I'm using the Montserrat font for all of these, and you can find the link in the description below. You can play around with Liquify to create different styles. If you would like to download the PSD file, check the link in the description below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Also watch other tutorials in my channel.